the channel. And today we have 2 jumps set up in the arena, and I don't know if you can tell, but I have got a bit of cold, and I wasn't very well for like a few days, so I'm feeling better today. I'm feeling definitely better. I can definitely ride. I've just got like, it's like a common cold. I've got like a bit of a runny nose. I had a sore throat, and I've got a bit of a cough, a bit like a phlegmy throat in my throat. That is a mouthful.
So you're just going to do a little jumping practice today?
We're just going to do a few jumpies, and I haven't ridden this one in a week.
Yeah.
And it's the morning.
Okay.
So we might have a bit of a spice of
So it's just a bit of a little casual, little jumpy session.
Yeah.
Just relaxed, chilled out.
Yeah. We're not gonna like. We will definitely do another jumping vlog where we jump higher, probably soon. But it just depends on the weather and her confidence, my confidence, me getting colds and stuff. Because I'm awful with sick bugs and colds in the winter. Like, you guys don't even understand. Like, every week I'm just like, but anyway, so yeah, we will hopefully be we will hopefully be doing, or try to do. I'm not making any promises here, but we will hopefully try to do a jumping vlog. Maybe with higher jumps, like, I don't know, 70s, 80s, maybe even 90s.
Yeah, because I've
We'll
just set them up for 50 centimetres at the minute, but we'll just see
We
how
can
it
put them
goes,
up
and if
higher.
it goes well, then we'll pop them up a bit higher, and we'll just play it by ear.
Yeah, because
see how Luna
the
is, see how
arena-
you are.
Yeah, the arena is okay today. It's not wet, but it does just depend on the weather. Because obviously, if the arena's got loads of puddles in, we can't go and jump like a meter course, can we?
And it depends also if Luna's fallen asleep or not, because as you can see, she is currently drifting off to the land of Nod.
Wakey, wakey, wakey.
Wakey,
Come on, then.
wakey.
Right, let's get.
Okay, let's get going.
Yes, let's get going.
So Emily's just going to do a bit of a warm-up. Apologies for any wind noise. It's a windy day today, and our microphones are not working, so nothing to cancel the noise out. So we'll see how it goes.
Oh yeah, guys. By the way, thank you for stopping. I've just shortened my stirrups for jumping, so if they look a bit shorter, that is why I haven't like randomly shortened. We have just shortened. I might like just trot over that.
Yeah. How is she feeling so far?
She's alright. I mean, like, she's alright. That canter was like a bit speedy, but I guess I just have to do some half pulse or something. But yeah. Can I get through? Just about. for me. Oh. While we wait here, it seems to go a bit upside down.
Was that a bit speedy?
Good girl.
Lovely.
Well done. Well done.
Lovely again. Beautiful.
Well, oh, that's a weird one. Okay. Well done. Oh, one's right.
Ooh, that was a little bit of a bunny hop. All good though.
Yeah, we did.
Oops.
Oh, it's not working.
That's all right. I'll pop that back up.
That was a bit of a fail. I mean, it was okay. She still got over it, which is like the main thing. But oh well. We're gonna do it again. We put that one up to 55 centimeters. It wasn't 50, but we just put it up to 55. And we haven't put that one up, but and we're gonna try and not bunny hop any this time. And we have a little like kind of cool.
Well, that's what the practicing's all about, isn't it? And having a bit of fun. So there were some lovely jumps in there though.
Practice makes perfect.
You look like you weren't ready for that.
Hold on. No, keep it. Oh, wait. Well done. Okay, my mum has just kindly put this up to 65 now. I don't know how high we'll be going. We might be stopping here. We'll see if she's tired. We'll see how she is.
Hello, Luna.
Yes. Yeah, this is at 65 now. Great information. So we are gonna
Have a go. Ooh.
Well,
Lovely.
yeah. Good girl.
Beautiful.
Well done. Right, there we go.
So I've just sneakily popped this up to 70. I think she'll do it well. It's just started raining. Woohoo! Well done. It's just started raining, so we'll call it a day soon. Maybe just jump this once or twice.
Right, I'm popping over that again because that was a little bit of a leap.
That was lovely. Well done. It is raining, isn't it?
Yeah,
So
it's
we'll
starting to rain.
we'll call it, wrap it up in a minute. Lovely.
Alrighty. That was very good.
Okay, we're going to finish there then because it's
Yeah.
raining.
Yeah, it's starting to drizzle, guys. I'm just going to have a little walk off, warm down.
That was really good. How'd you feel?
So good. She did so well. You got to ask her to muddy up sometimes. But like my main thing, like it would be nice if she could get her stride right, but I need to help that as well. So I need to work on that. But yeah. What was I going to say?
You did really well though. How'd you feel?
Really good. Yeah. A bit soggy, but just a little bit. My
All
face
right.
is kind of feels like it's got pins and needles.
Okay, well we'll let you.
Kind of refreshing.
Yeah, it is lovely. Okay, you have a little walk then, and then you can see you at the stable.
Yeah. Thank you all so much for watching today's video. I think Luna loved it. I certainly enjoyed it as well. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'm very proud of her and how far we have come. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure you like and subscribe, as it would be very helpful. And we're going to put Luna out with her friends now. But we'll see you in the next one. Bye, everyone.
Bye.
She's biting my tongue. Oh, she's got my zip. Bye, guys.